Let's see how to install our all-in-one Temcoat X-Liner. Before starting, make sure the container is clean and free of any materials that could damage the Temcoat X-Liner. Tie the ropes along the hooks of the container. Unfold the liner on the floor of the container. Ensure the opening is facing the container doors and the hooks are facing the ceiling. Secure the liner by tying a rope to the back of the container. Then, use the hooks to hang the Temcoat X-Liner from the ropes. Very important, make sure the ropes are tightly secured and that the opening is rolled up to facilitate loading. You can use the elastic straps to help roll up the opening. Now it's time to load your cargo. Very important, if you are using desiccants, place them underneath the pallets and on the walls. Contact one of our cargo care experts to learn more about our V-Dry Bag desiccants and get recommendations on the proper quantity. After loading is complete, unroll and stretch out the Temcoat X-Liner. If vacuum sealing is required, loosen the ropes tied along the container walls. Start applying double-sided tape at points A and B, working from the corners toward the center. Be sure to leave the area marked Air Extraction 1 unsealed. Use the vacuum machine on the unsealed space to extract the air, then finish sealing the opening with double-sided tape. Finally, there are two air extraction points. The first is a large air extraction point in the center which removes most of the air during the initial phase of the process. The second is a smaller valve that precisely removes the remaining air. If it becomes necessary to open the liner for customs inspection, cut it here and use another strip of double-sided tape to reseal and restore the vacuum. That's it. Fold the front part of the liner, close the container, and your cargo is ready for shipment.